Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for our abs workout today. Plank versus abs with weight, and it's a Tabata. So the first thing you'll need is a moderate weight, light if you're a newbie, if you have any shoulder issues or back issues. For those of you that need a little bit of support lying down, have your towel to give your neck or your head support. Our protocol will be, we'll do a plank and then we do our Tabata blast. We do an exercise with weight, then we do our Tabata blast. Our Tabata blast today is going to be the 100. So let me just set that up. So you'll have the option of working with head and shoulders up. Any neck or back issues, you can do that with head and shoulders down. I'll layer in the various leg options, but please just know that you have that as your choice. So if you could come onto your back, please, and let's mobilize. So we take the arms out and we let the knees gently rock from side to side. The shoulder blades are glued to the mat, and I want you to feel like you're achieving some mobility and warmth around the hips, around your back, around your center. Palms by your side. Let's take a pelvic tilt and release. And again. And now I want you to start to peel all the way up through the spine. Breath in at the top. As you exhale, place each vertebra all the way back down. Coming back into a neutral position, and then again. So we can constantly just rolling up and down through the back. One more time. So I want you to find your neutral back position, tummy drawn down, breath out as you extend away. So we're still just in a little bit of prep. I know it probably feels like we're taking a while getting there, but I promise you we've got lots coming up. So now we're going to take a pause, take your weight, find your neutral back position. So we're going to do that again, but we're going to go slowly. So we extend away and back. So you take your time, you keep your feet hip width. Now option 2, knees are above the hips. Tap away through the heel. And again, we tap away through the heel. All the while, keeping the tummy muscles drawn down. Harder version. Away and back. For some of you, double leg stretch. Keep the tummy muscles engaged. Remember, you can come all the way back down through the levels. Let's go for 4, 3, 2 and 1. And now we come straight into our Tabata. So tummy drawn down, head and shoulders down if you prefer, and then we back the arms. You can bring one knee above the hip, both knees up. You can extend the legs away. Keep the tummy drawn down. If you've got one leg lifted, change now, and we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Coming straight into your side plank. You can use your towel for a little bit of padding if need be. So hips are stacked, hands to hip or overhead. You can lift the hips, you can take the foot away. Right here, we hold for 30 seconds. Or fatigue, whichever comes first. Keep lifting the hips, don't let the head drop, keep the tummy muscles engaged. Strong, taking the hand away from the shoulder. Great work, let's stay with that. 5, 4, 3, 2. come down, and then we're going to go back into the 100 again. Ready? Let's go. So now you've got all of your levels. You don't need me to show you on everyone. I'll just remind you. And you can work with head and shoulders down, right? If you've got one leg lifted, change. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. So now going to go over onto the opposite side, plank again. Ready, pick your weapon. Keep pushing the hips away from the floor, keep the tummy strong. "15 seconds to go. Have you got your abs drawn in? Where did that sunshine come from? Weather-wise, it was Armageddon about 5 minutes ago. 5, 4, 3, 2, release. You know where we're going. Come all the way. Ready for that 100. Off you go. So remember, harder, easier. You choose, head and shoulders up or down. We've got one leg lifted, change sides. Keep switching on through that center. I'll work through all of the levels. You do you. Look at that sunshine. That's amazing, isn't it? Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Well, you know the sun shines on the right chest, don't you? Of course it does. If you believe that, you believe anything. So, feet hip width apart. Tummy drawn in. So we take that weight over and slowly back, but I'm not letting the knees or pelvis move. Keep the elbows slightly bent. It's not a big move, this. Harder. Knees above the hips. Keep drawing that tummy in. So you can work with the feet down, remember? So let's go for 4 more. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then that weight goes down. And we go into the 100. Tummy in. So if you've got one leg lifted, change sides. You can work your way back down through your options. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Well done. So coming all the way back in for a plank. You can work from your forearms if you prefer. So right here, option 1, knees down if you need to make that a little bit harder. And I'm going to bring those hands in. I'm just going to touch, I'm just going to touch the shoulders. But can you see this very little movement around the pelvis? Same from here. One side's definitely easier for me than the other. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comments afterwards. So let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back in again. You know what, you know where. Okay. So we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the 1. Well done. So now coming back for your weight again. And actually we'll come up to kneeling. If you need to stand for this, please do. And then I'm going to engage through the center, and then I'm going to just go over to the side and back, over and back, over and back. Tummy pulled in. Harder. 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 Hardest. Keep the abs engaged. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'll go through all of those options again. You go straight in for yours. So right here, go over and back. Here. Here. Drawing in. Let's go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the 1. Great job. So the weight goes down. Oh, that's sun. Okay, draw the abs in. So option 1, 2, and 3. So let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Well done. Great job. So from here, coming all the way back into the plank again. We're going up for a minute, so you might need to take breaks along the way. You might need to start at one level and build or drop to another. So right here or here. So don't let the head drop. Keep the shoulders back, knees down if you feel like you've had enough. Keep drawing that tummy in. Again, just retract the shoulder blades. See if you can draw pelvic floor up a little too. Hold, hold, hold. You're over the halfway mark. So you're doing grand. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Amazing job. Come all the way over. Last time with that 100. Let's go. If you've got one leg raised, change, and we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Bring one knee into the chest, extend the opposite leg away. And just take deep breaths. Change it up. Knees drop from side to side. Take a full body stretch. Hands and knees come to the same side. Come up to sitting. You can have your feet in front, have your feet however they feel comfortable for you. And we reach. And then change. Release. Take a deep breath in and a breath out. One time more, deep breath in and a breath out. I hope you enjoyed our abs workout today. Let me know how you got on, and if you're doing this on replay again, just drop me a line. I love those replays. Okay, well done everybody, and happy hump day.